Good morning, lovely ladies. Welcome to Homemakers Homemaking Motivation with Its Life. I am Linta, a wife and a boy mom who owns an online business with the passion of drawing and motivating you ladies for finding time for your passions as well, and also doing women ministry through podcast, YouTube, and e-course. I am a midwife and did family counseling, currently resides in South Africa. With a touch of love, care, passion in the form of determination, planning, and persistence, let's do the magic of homemaking. Hey, lovely ladies, good morning. So, this is a project which I actually shared in my old channel, but I thought to reshare it. But I'm doing the voiceover as new because this video was a kind of new step. Actually, I posted this video as something I did something new for myself and new learning. So this video has a lot of this is a lot of closer to my heart, so I couldn't leave that video in the old channel, so I have downloaded and I'm re-uploading it in this channel. So this is a project, if you doesn't know, if you never see it, so this is a DIY speaker stand. I made it for my husband on his request, and it is something I did very new. I always love this woodworks and everything. Of course, I get the help from my husband. Without his help, I cannot do it. But we made this speaker stand, a 4-piece of speaker stand, which is actually an easy project for a woodworker, but it was very difficult for me, of course. And I will be adding all the products I brought and I used with this project will be in the description box. So especially if you are residing in South Africa, of course you can get it. And when buying this product, in that video I said buying this product, they didn't help much the builders warehouse. They didn't help much even on our request. But again, we went not for this, another project. That video is coming up very shortly, another wood project. When we got with them for that, we got a lot of help, and yes, which I will explain it over there. But this project, I am cutting the wood like the equals, the long square and the long breadth. I don't know how to say that. Anyway, the length is 22 and breadth is 16 or 2.2 and 1.6. And we need whatever I'm doing here. That's one set, 2-piece one set. We need 2 set of that, and 2 more less thick one. The plain one, that well, in one stand we need 1 2 3 4 5 6 wood piece, in different 2 of equals of each. So I'm sticking together the small one, the bigger one is sticking together. That is one set, and another again same way, small and big, another set, and also a flat, that would be better, the flat rectangle one, as another 2 of them is needed in one speaker stand. So I'm going to make each and everything. So all these machines. So for this project I used the sander, which I'm using right now, and also cutting machine and what is that, glue, and I'm forgetting all the names. Completely forgetting all the names, and varnish. So for this project we went with a light varnish because my husband wanted light one. But the next project, which you will see shortly in the upcoming video, we went with the dark shadow varnish. And in this project, big mistake I did was, before even sticking the woods together, I sanded the corner of the wood curved, which definitely made little gaps while gluing these woods together. So if you're making for the first time, do not sand the corners. You can sand both sides, all the sides, but not the corners. It's definitely going to make the gaps. But Yeah, that's the one mistake I did, but it was a very good learning. I will be definitely making more wood projects if the money and money comes. If God willing, we will be making more projects. But for now, this is the one, and also stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, because if you I will be posting more projects. One more project will be coming up very shortly, with a TV stand extender we did for our TV, for his TV actually. His means my husband's TV, game TV actually. Yeah, that will be coming over here. So yeah, I hope you are going to enjoy this. I don't think that I have to explain it much. Every details will be in the description box, and you might have already saw this video, so I'm just putting the music and you can listen. I will come up if I feel like I have to explain. Otherwise, yeah, you can just enjoy.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out, yeah. Talking about nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? What makes this happy face? We'll make a new tomorrow. Just talk to me.
Okay, so this is the final product, final finished product. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of wood is in one speaker stand made for, and it works so well. My husband likes a lot because it's like when we buy from the shop, it's someone else's idea. When we make it for ourselves, it's our own idea, and that's what I want to mainly emphasize from this video. Try, learn new things. Do not I was in the thought of I don't know, woodwork, how can I do it? I cannot even do this. But when we tried, it happened. Yes, of course there will be a lot of mistakes, but it's okay, that's how we learn. So if you are a homemaker who feels like you cannot do something, I want you to take this as a motivation for yourself. You can do it. Definitely you can do it. You only have to put your heart in those and find that time to finish that project. And I hope that is definitely going to motivate you guys. And this is the final product, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give me the big thumbs up, and if you love, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All my uploads are on all the Mondays. I post a lot of homemaking motivation for you ladies, and there'll be studio blogs, cleanings, product designing, all the hard struggle time I go through in my homemaking. Will be sharing it with you. So if you're looking for such channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell on. And I do have other social medias related to this channel and also related to my woman ministry. You can follow wherever you want. So here we are adjusting the height and length and everything, and yeah, that's for today's video. Bye bye. I will see all of you in the next video. Enjoy, have a wonderful great day, stay safe.